sadness and grief.
Yeah, you seem really bummed out.
Oh, Knights of the Round Table, my 3 golden pyramids have been taken. They are so beautiful. You cannot even imagine them.
They're pyramids, so they have triangles on their sides that come together in a point at the top, right?
Yes.
And there are 3 of them, and they're gold.
Well, maybe you can imagine them, but you cannot imagine the strange toad who stole them. He walks on 2 legs.
I can imagine a toad walking on 1, 2 legs.
Yes.
Good imagining, Peg the Bold.
Fear not, mermaid. The Knights of the Round Table will find the evil toad and bring back your golden pyramids.
Please hurry, Knights. I really missed my golden pyramids.
We must find that toad fast, brave Sir Cat.
I know.
But he's nowhere to be found. We've got a big problem. If only there were clues that would lead us to the toad. But there's only trees and river and mud.
Whoa.
What clues have you found down there, brave Sir Cat?
Well?
Tiny footprints, 2 at a time.
Whoa.
The toad who stole the golden pyramid walks on 2 feet. Could these be the toad's footprints?
Yeah.
You genius knight. Shall we follow the footprints and count them as we go?
Totally.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Hello, Toad. Did you steal the mermaid's 3 golden pyramids?
No.
Really?
Actually, yes, I did.
I kind of thought so.
We, the Knights of the Round Table, have come to take back the golden pyramids.
How about you take some cubes instead?
Cubes?
A cube is a lovely shape. It's got a square on every side.
There is a square on this side and this side.
And this side, too.
You can stack 'em up, knock 'em down. With cubes, the fun never stops. 3 golden cubes. There you go. Just like pyramids, really.
But pyramids have triangles on their sides. Cubes have squares. They're totally not the same.
Yeah, fine. Take your golden pyramids.
The Knights have found the golden pyramids! Woohoo! It's Ramone! And,
my helper. Ooh, so what happened here?
our spaceship is kind of totally broken. Any chance you could give us a ride home?
Sorry, Peg, but I'm gonna be in space for a while, collecting space rocks that make you turn different colors. But don't worry, I designed your spaceship myself.
You did?
It's just the bottom and a top joined by a central core.
Whoa.
The outer wall is all that needs to be finished, and this diagram shows how.
You really think we could finish putting the ship together ourselves?
Sure you can. I'll even leave you my helper.
Thanks, Ramone. I'll do what I can. Hi, Ramone's helper. I'm Peg. I'm Richard, and this is Richard's blankie, which I never use.
The pig?
You're Ramone's helper?
This helper won't be very helpful.
It's okay. This diagram makes everything easy. These big pieces go across the front of the ship, like they're the ship's clothes.
And without them, the ship is naked.
Naked. But the only way they'll fit together is if the shapes painted on them go in a certain pattern. Triangle, pentagon, triangle, square. Triangle, pentagon, triangle, square.
Triangle what again?
Pentagon. It's a shape that has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. This is a harder pattern than the one we made in the sky, but it repeats just like any other pattern, so we can follow it and build the ship. It goes triangle, pentagon, triangle, square.
Triangle, pentagon, triangle, square.
Triangle, pentagon, here goes the square. But now it goes there. You can figure it out, Richard, don't just despair.
Triangle, pentagon, square.
Even And the pig is better than me. Nobody's better than anyone else, Richard. We're all working together to get the job done. I like that concept.
Triangle, pentagon, triangle, square. Watching the shapes, you know just what goes where.
I know triangle, it goes right there.
Triangle, pentagon, triangle, square.
Hello, Great Valley! Should we tell you who we are, who we really, really are?
Everybody knows who you are.
Ramone!
I'm the Pentagirl's biggest fan, and I want to hear your new song. New song, new song.
Please do your new song! You heard us! Hit it, girls!
If there were three of us, we'd be the triangle.
No, 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 no.
If there were four of us, we'd be the rectangles.
No, 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 no.
But there aren't three or four, we've got more. And we know what you've been waiting for.
We're the Pentagirls, yeah! And we'll rock your world! We're the Pentagirls! We're the Pentagirls! We're the Pentagirls, yeah! And we'll rock your world! We're five alive, we jump and jive! We're the Pentagirls, yeah!
Woo!
Okay, everybody, the Pentagirls have a new dance for you. And to start things off, here's someone who can really shake a leg. Come on up here. Me? 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 Cat!
Me?
If it couldn't be me,
I'm glad 'twas he.
totally good choice, Peg.
Are you ready, Cat?
I was born ready.
Now, long ago, on the way to our show, we're like, hold up, yo, we don't know where to go. But three cool moves got us to the stage. We made a new dance, now it's all the rage. The first step is a slide. We glide from side to side. Do the slide, do the slide, do the slide.
Now here's another step that we want you to learn. When you move around a point, it's called a turn. Turn, turn.
Do the turn.
And here's the last move to add to your collection. When you flip, you're facing the opposite direction.
Flip, flip. Do a flip.
Now put them all together and like, what do you get? It's a brand new dance that'll make you sweat. So come on, everybody, join in the fun. We're the Pentagirls and we're number one.
If there were three of us, we'd be the triangle. Slide, slide. If there were four of us, we'd be the rectangles.
Turn, turn.
But there aren't three or four, we've got more. And we know what you've been waiting for.
Flip, flip, flip. We're the Pentagirls, yeah. And we'll rock your world. We're the Pentagirls. We're the Pentagirls. We're the Pentagirls, yeah. And we'll rock your world. We're five alive, we jump and jive. We're the Pentagirls, yeah. Hey there, music lovers! I'm Peg, and this is Cat. And today I'm jamming with the three bears. Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. Since the three bears plus one me equals four, we call our band the Fabulous Four. The coolest band for sure, the Fabulous Four. Today we have our first gig ever. Gig is how cool musicians say we're going to play a concert. All we're missing is a drummer. What do you say, Cat? Want to play drums for the Fabulous Four?
My dream is to be a dancer, not a drummer. Don't ask me to give up my dream. I can't. I won't.
Aw, that's cool.
No problem.
Chill, Cat.
Thank you for your understanding.
But we really need a drummer, and our gig's really soon. We've got a big problem. We've just got to have that special beat. Something smooth. Something cool. Something like that. You did it again, you amazing cat. You found a pig who's an incredible drummer. But now we have to
are Peg and Cat?
I bet they went to the bathroom when we were coming out, and we didn't see them down at our feet.
They're so little.
Say, honey, while we're waiting for them, could you get me some things from the kitchen?
Not a problem.
He's coming back! Everybody, into the picture! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Who's missing?
The pig!
Get into the cup! 9 in the pitcher plus 1 in the cup equals 10. Yay, we're heading away.
Could you fill the pitcher with milk and bring it out, hon?
Sure thing, babe.
He's gonna fill it with milk.
Everybody out!
And bring my favorite cup?
Of course, honey.
The hat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It's full!
Sunglasses. 8 in the hat plus 2 behind the sunglasses equals 10. 10. We did it again.
Could you get my sun hat too, sweetie? And my sunglasses?
Not a problem.
Tissues!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No more room in here.
Where will you go?
The picture frame. 7 in the tissue box and 3 in the frame equals 10.
10.
We did it again.
My allergies.
Oh, I'll bring out the tissue box too, right, babe?
Thanks, sweetie. Oh, and could you bring our graduation photo?
Will do.
There's no place else to go.
Put down.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's everything. I'm coming out, sweetie.
We could roll up behind him on those wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Or right out on that toilet paper.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on the skate plus 5 on the toilet paper equals 10.
10.
We did it again.
Hold on tight, everybody.
I'm writing toilet paper!
But we've got to get all 100 chickens back into their spaceship before Big Mouth gets them. We've got a really big problem. Another problem.
Oh, sheesh.
Don't worry, Richard. We'll solve the problem. We just need an idea. Does the pig have an idea? Nope, just a burp.
Oh.
Hey, Peg.
Hey, Ramone. Cool jetpack.
I'm collecting space rocks for NASA.
Can we see? Ooh.
Nice.
Want to see me add 100 of these rocks to my collection?
Counting 100 rocks will take all day.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
And be very difficult.
Not if I use these trays. Each tray holds 10 rocks. So, instead of collecting rocks one at a time, I pick them up 10 at a time. Like this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rocks.
Now I'll count by tens and collect 100 rocks in no time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Wahoo!
Whoa!
We want Jesse to have these gophers in his room, reminding him of camp. Every day of the week, not just on weekdays.
Or just on weekends.
He should have them especially on weekends.
And even more especially on weekdays.
We've got a really
big problem!
Should we divide the gophers in half so he has an equal amount at each of his homes?
You tear this little guy in half?
I mean, divide up the group, Cat, like with fair sharing. So it goes 1 here, 1 there, 1 here, 1 there, and like that, till there are 7 gophers for each of Jesse's homes. Then we'd have to divide that last gopher in half.
You gotta take one for the team.
But we never do that.
Of course not! Sorry I ripped off your head. Total misunderstanding.
Besides, 15's Jesse's favorite number. He should have 15 gophers every day. So instead of dividing our gophers in half, let's double them.
We're doubling you. Will it be painful?
Doubling means you take a number of things and add that many more, so you have twice as many. For Jesse to have 15 gophers at each of his homes, we need to make 15 more clay gophers.
Let's go for it!
What should we do now, Peg?
Well, you should count sheep.
Count sheep? Sounds like a total
Waste of my time.
Counting sheep helps you relax and get to sleep. Trust me.
Okie doke. I'll try it.
Bring on the sheep.
Gladly.
We've only got the 3 sheep.
There's also 6 monkeys, a giraffe and a half.
The pirates are going to need to count more animals than that to get to sleep. But I know some animals who travel in a really big group. Hey, guys! How soon could you get here?
Cheep, 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 cheep. Chickens coming here?
You're going to get to sleep by counting 20 of them.
Arr!
You can count to 20, right?
Oh, no. Never have.
Tried once, but
After 10, it gets weird.
After 10 comes 11.
That's a 1 with a 1 after it.
Freaky.
Told ya. What's this thing?
That's 12.
A 1 with a 2.
Oh, never seen the likes of that.
Then comes 13, 14, 15.
they all got teen in their names.
That's why they're called teens, just like 16, 17, 18, 19.
Whoa, Mama, there's a lot of teens. Arr!
And then, at the end here, comes 20.
It doesn't start with a 1. It starts with a 2.
It is I, Peg the Bold. And brave Sir Cat, we're called
The Knights of the Round Table.
Because we totally love going
Around and 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 around the round table.
Did you hear something, Sir Cat?
Brave.
Brave Sir Cat.
Sounds like someone calling for help. Peg the Bold.
Shall we gallop over and see what the trouble is?
Only if we can count our steps as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Actually, brave Sir Cat, when we gallop, we take 2 steps at a time. So let's count by 2s.
All right.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We had 15.
Now you've got 15 more.
So all together, we've got 16, 17, 18.
Oh, I know.
After 8 comes 9, so after 18 comes
9.
18. Right. Then comes 20, and then 21, 22, 23.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
24, 25, 26.
Hey, what do you know?
27, 28, 29.
Whoa.
What comes next?
2010?
30.
That's what I wish I said.
We doubled our gophers.
But since you want Jessie to have 2 groups of 15 each,
We'll divide the 30 gophers in half. 1 in this box.
1 in this box.
This box.
This box.
Totally fair sharing till there's 15 in each box.
now they're all ready for Jessie.
Far out.
Granddad.
Happy birthday!
Peace, love, joy, groovy tunes, everything I love made by the people I love.
And look what the doves are making.
68!
So beautiful.
So, why do you like the 60s so much?
She wonders why I'm just a 60s guy. Give me a curly 6, a super groovy 6, 1 single digit at the start.
With a 0 right beside it, that 6 just cannot hide it.
It's a work of art.
Gonna top the chart.
Gonna rock your groovy heart. 'Cause it's a 60.
60!
Nifty.
50s,
Cooler than the 50s, the 60s.
I still like the teens. But the 60s are totally cool, too. Check it out. When I want some groovy fun, I count my way to 61.
By 62, I'm grooving even more.
And it sets my spirit free when I get to 63.
And I love the purple haze of 64.
I feel alive and
65, you know I wanna drive on the Route to 66 right up the line.
67 is like heaven, 68 is super great.
And there's only one more sign, must be 69.
And that's the 60s.
The 60s.
The 60s.
The 60s.
They're lovey.
They're chubby.
They're oh so lovey-dovey.
The 60s. The 60s. They're really, really groovy.
The 60s.
The 60s!
You're really rockin', raccoons!
Blast!
You're still going, Gophers.
Okay, so the raccoons got 10 for winning the first game, plus 10 more for winning the second game is, 20, okay? Count faster, please!
This is torture! Counting by tens is just like counting by ones. But with a 0 at the end, you can just go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then you just got 10 more, so that's 90.
Meanwhile, the Gophers got 5, and 5 more is, 10, and 5 more is...
Don't they teach counting by fives at his high school?
I was absent that day.
It's kind of like counting by tens, Jesse, but instead of numbers ending 0000, it goes 5050. So we've got 5,
10,
15,
20,
25,
30,
35,
40.
and 5 more gives us 45. There are lots of things you can compare on a graph, like who is the shortest and the tallest giraffe.
You can chart how much you walk.
How much that you laugh.
Ramone!
There are lots of things you can compare on a graph.
But the one thing you can't chart,
Is how you feel in your heart.
you never have to worry, you never have to stress. I couldn't love you anymore, I'll never love you less.
I'll shout it from the rooftops.
What a bar graph can express. I couldn't love you anymore, I'll never love you less. There are oh so many things that we can do with 3.
Like hoop-de-loos with Ramone.
When he's on the TV.
We can shoot Badoo. Woof.
Stand tall as a tree. There are oh so many things that we can do with 3. But you don't need 3 to tell that I think you're really swell. You never have to worry, you never have to stress.
I couldn't love you anymore. I'll never love you less.
I'll sing it from the treetops.
I really must confess,
I couldn't love you anymore. I'll never love you less. I couldn't love you anymore. I'll never love you less. We're
splashing in the bathroom, in the tub,
At the sink.
on the floor. Splashing, splashing, and splashing some more. Welcome to the bathroom, where there's something that doesn't belong. Can you find it?
I got it! Those cups should be in the kitchen.
Nice try, Cat, but those are bathroom cups. They're usually by the sink.
Huh. Wait a minute. Something strange about the rug.
You're right, Cat. The circles on the rug are in a pattern. Red, silver. So this extra silver circle doesn't belong.
Hello?
Best way to get rid of an elephant in your bathtub, right? They cannot stand being ignored.
Works every time.
You like to shake it some, I like to shake it plenty. I like to shake it all the way past 10 and up to 20. Whoa, 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 whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, yeah! I like to tap and hop until my shoes are denty. I just can't stop at 10, I tap, tap, hop, non-stop to 20. Whoa, 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 whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, yeah! If you love to move and move and move again, move and move and move on way past summon Presidente. I'd order everyone to stop it, stop right up to 20.
Whoa, 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 whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Say it again.
19, 20.
Yeah!
Yes!
Nighty-night.
See ya!
Later!
To award the victorious Gophers Ninny Wawa patches, the camp director.
Whether gopher or raccoon, on field or stream or sand, win or lose is alright if you're fair and polite and having fun in a certain pattern. Singing daily every day, laughing daily as you play. Singing me, me, laugh, laugh, laughing tee, ha, ha, that's the Ninny Wawa way.
Singing daily every day, laughing daily as you play.
Singing me, me, la, la.
Laughing tee ha ha, that's the Ninny Wawa way.
This tower's pretty high-tech. How'd you build it?
Oh, hi, Ramone. Well, you see, we didn't actually build this particular tower, but if we did, we'd use a diagram to plan it out. We'd use a diagram. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa! He used a diagram. Check it out. He used a diagram.
That's what I'm talking about.
A rolling sphere, some dominoes, a jack in the box, and away he goes. Spheres, cubes, pyramids, cylinders, and more, stacked just right for a peaceful snore.
Hey, you!
Wipey, wipey here, powder, powder there. Roll, toss, flip, and throw 'em in the air.
Oh, yeah!
He used a diagram to plan it out. He used a diagram without a doubt. He used a diagram.
To plan it out.
He used a diagram. That's what we're talking about. Diagram, what we're talking about. Hey, baby fox, come check out our block tower masterpieces. Baby fox, come out wherever you are.
Whoa!
I wonder who built it. Baby fox? Baby fox, I think you should come down now. That looks kinda dangerous. Baby fox, this is Babysitter Peg talking. I repeat, you come down right now.
Yeah, what she said.
He's not listening to us.
No, not really.
If Baby Fox keeps bouncing up and down and all around up there, he could fall and get hurt. We've got a really big problem. Maybe we could climb up the tower and carry him down. The pieces are all balanced just right. One wrong step might knock the whole thing down. Now what? Yes! Great thinking, Cat. We could blow a really big bubble for Baby Fox to jump down onto.
Yes!
Okay, first I'll chew it up.
Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo.
All chewed. Here goes nothing.
It's getting big, bigger, bigger.
Hey, Peg.
Hey, Ramone. Cool jetpack.
I'm collecting space rocks for NASA.
Can we see? Ooh.
Nice. Tissues.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No more room in here.
Where will you go?
The picture frame. 7 in the tissue box and 3 in the frame equals 10,
10.
We did it again.